If you love to travel and want a beautiful way to document every step of your journey without the hassle of writing a travel blog, Polarsteps might just be your new favorite app. But is it actually worth using in 2025? Let's find out. Polarsteps is a smart travel tracker that automatically logs your trips by using your phone's GPS. You don't need to do anything, just keep your phone with you, and the app builds a detailed map of where you've been, with dates, photos, and even statistics like distance traveled and number of countries visited. The beauty of Polarsteps is in its simplicity and visual design. Your trip is turned into a sleek timeline with every stop displayed as a step. You can tap each step to add notes, photos, or travel stories, and even share the journey with friends and family in real time. If you're a fan of travel journals, this is like a digital upgrade. No writing skills required. It's private by default, but you can choose what to share. And here's something people love. When your trip is over, you can order a printed travel book with all your steps, photos, and comments, automatically created by the app. It's not cheap, but for many users, it's a perfect keepsake. So what about downsides? Well, it's not a social media platform, so don't expect TikTok-style travel content. And because it uses GPS, it can drain your battery on longer trips unless you adjust the tracking settings. Also, it works best offline, but you'll need to connect later to sync everything. This is actually great for remote travelers. You can enjoy your trip without distractions, and the app will quietly log everything in the background. Is it worth it? If you're serious about travel and want something more meaningful than just Instagram stories, Polarsteps is easily one of the best apps out there. It's free to use, doesn't overload you with ads, and focuses purely on giving you a clean personal record of your adventures. Whether you're backpacking across Asia or doing a weekend road trip, this app turns your journey into a story worth keeping.